What is good, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. This is week 8 of trying to trade a $10 account in 365 days. This week we took only one trade, which was a loss. So quickly, let's just head on to the charts and break down what we did. There was no video last week, guys. Forgive me, because last week some unforeseen circumstances popped out, so we couldn't bring you last week's video. But this week we are bringing you another episode. And also last week we took one trade that ended in a loss, but since we couldn't bring that video, let's just break down this week's trade. And before we go into it, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to comment and tell me how your trading week was for you last week. So let's just head right onto the chart and see what we did. So we took just one trade on AUDJPY and it turned out for a loss. So this was a sell trade that we were looking to catch, but the market stopped that. So what was the logic of the trade? So on the 4-hour time frame, which was on Tuesday, I saw price sweeping these highs and coming into this point of interest right here. So price was bullish, but I saw this as an opportunity to find maybe a sell down here into this point of interest and continue the buys, but it didn't happen that way. So this is what I saw. I saw a sweep here on the 4-hour time frame, and I saw this this closer here, which is a change in state of delivery. So after the change in state of delivery, there was another block here that price came back to on the 4-hour time frame. So I went down to the lower time frame, which is it the 15 minutes or the 1 hour time? So this was the lower time frame. Where is it? Okay, so this is the trade on the lower time frame. This was the 15 minutes time frame. When price reacted from that 4-hour order block and broke this structure to the downside, I was looking for price to come back to this order block right here. Then come back to the other block right here, and then continue the sales downwards, since these zones had already been mitigated. So I set my limit order, went to bed, and in the morning when I woke up to a loss on the account, since price was not yet ready to sell down. And you could see that the buying impulse was so great. After price hit the SL, the buying was so impulsive. So you could see that buyers were aggressively controlling the market, and that's what happened. After price came down here, started moving up, and it has been up, came down a little. Yeah, so that was it for the trade I was looking at. Though my bias was bullish getting into this week, I knew that AUDJPY was going to buy, but I just wanted to catch this sell to buy. So this should serve as a lesson that sell to buy trades are very risky. Though sometimes it can happen. It's when we are trying to catch a reversal to your main point of interest to join the move, it can be very, very dangerous. Though sometimes it happens, but if you are not careful, you can get wrecked by the market. So this is what we did. Let's head onto the journaling platform. And see our stats on the account. Alright, guys, so this is it. Welcome to our journaling platform, and let's go to last month and check our performance so far. So I think this is it. We'll come to February. Okay, right. So this is for last week, this for last week, the loss we took. So last 2 weeks, it was actually 2 losses that we took. Okay, so we took a loss of 100 cents each, which is about $1. So this is how we ended last 2 weeks. Then last week we also took 1 loss, so we are on a three trades losing streak currently. So this is the loss we also took this week. And yeah, so far this is it. These are the stats. When we change it to metrics, over here, so far this is the account. We are still in profit on the account. We are on 31.22% profits on the account. So our current balance is 1,332 cents, which is equivalent to $13, and our highest balance is 1,634 cents, which is equivalent to $16. So from our peak of $16, we've dropped to $13, losing 3 trades. So our risk management has been good so far, and a couple losses here and there. Hopefully we come back from this. So this has been the week so far, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to let me know how your trading week was for you so far and how the year is going for you so far. Leave everything in the comment section, and if there's anything you would want us to maybe create a video about pertaining forex trading, anything you'd love to know, leave it in the comment section. I'm going to find that and see how I can work towards that. See you in the next one. Bye.